Welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video we are going to talk about fine furniture. So before starting this video, like this video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for future updates. What is fine furniture? An essential guide. If you've been looking for high-end furniture, you've probably come across the term fine furniture. Many shops and furniture makers use the phrase in a broad meaning, making it difficult to tell what is truly fine furniture and what is just a pricey piece best left in the shop. What precisely is fine furniture? Let's look at how fine furniture is defined and what to look for when shopping for it. The benefits of fine furniture. Although many people believe that all costly furniture is fine furniture and that all great furniture is expensive, the definition of fine furniture is not expensive furniture. Fine furniture, on the other hand, is decided by craftsmanship rather than money. Fine furniture is meant to last a lifetime, not just a few years or even a decade or so. Fine furniture may be passed down from generation to generation due to its durability and high-quality craftsmanship. Fine furniture must also be pleasing to the eye. This does not necessarily imply that the furniture must appear nice to all eyes, but it should be built with aesthetics in mind. Fine furniture, for example, will be constructed with specific measurements and details in mind. These elements will enhance the piece's utility, as well as its overall appearance. What more does furniture require to be considered fine? Let's take a deeper look at some of the most distinct traits that distinguish good furniture from commonplace items. Materials for fine furniture. A variety of rare woods can be used to make fine furniture. Fine furniture, as previously stated, is supposed to endure a lifetime. As a result, low-cost materials like particle boards are entirely out of the question. Fine furniture must be constructed from tough, long-lasting materials that can withstand decades of use. Fine furniture requires strong woods and well-designed joints, as well as nails, screws, and other fasteners. Design of fine furniture. Although it has already been established that great furniture must be aesthetically pleasant, every aspect of the design is critical in determining what constitutes fine furniture. Fine furniture is often designed in a classical style that has been judged ageless and authentic by furniture craftsmen all over the world. While a modernly styled piece of furniture can be long-lasting and of excellent quality, it is rarely classified as great furniture because it has a contemporary rather than historical appearance. Certain fine furniture firms, such as Kittinger, Stickley, and Baker, take pride in adopting museum pieces as inspiration for their designs. Of course, all of these brands may alter the patterns or motifs to make them more current. The most expensive reproductions are usually exact replicas. Makers of fine furniture. Fine furniture, above all, is not mass-produced. Fine furniture is not created in factories or assembled piece by piece by a line of people who have no experience with furniture craftsmanship. Fine furniture is handcrafted by skilled artisans who understand how to build durable, beautiful furniture that will last for centuries, if not longer. If you're thinking about buying excellent furniture, keep the facts above in mind. For many years, fine furniture companies like as Baker Furniture, Kittinger Furniture, Staton Furniture, Henkel Harris Furniture, and others produced outstanding reproduction furniture. On our pages, you'll find the best beautiful furniture for sale. We offer merchants from all across the country that collect the greatest furniture created in the United States on a daily basis. What do you think about this video? Do let us know down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.